I quickly want to record the things that EdNAC 3D had developed already for courses for IDC. This was the unconscious bias course, which was the proof of concept that we were going with for the rest of the courses. As you can see, all of it has been put in, had been put in, the CN, so that it was all there and usable. Everything was working. All of the buttons were added. All the information that needed to go in. Each one of the sections of the course were created and put in. Again, this was the proof of concept that we had gone with to begin with for unconscious bias. The other courses that we have created that were here and just really waiting for the rest of the content to be able to be delivered was as the CDP course, where each one of the sections had its own area to for each section. So each one of those was set up and established within course networking, and then the CDE was also set up so that it is ready for all of the content that needed to be put in. So we've got some other pages here. Again, there and ready for course structure. So these were pieces of course networking that had already been established, and there, let's see, we've got the alumni group ready to go. They wanted, with the ready for plugins of everything that was there. Again, just a quick documentation of everything that EdNAC 3D had done for IDC in course networking. Along with this work was the back work of custom coding that needed to occur to put the website together with IDC. Again, let's see.